Dear friends, it's a pleasure to connect with you all once again. And I'm happy to note that despite all the challenges faced in the exhibition industry, Exhibition Excellence Award to recognize the achievers of the exhibition industry is back. I positively believe that this will bring positive sentiments and set the tone for a great 2021. Although we couldn't meet physically and raise the toast for the achievers, technology has helped us to stay connected on a single platform. The 5th annual edition of Exhibition Excellence Award will recognize winners in over 55 award categories, ranging from exhibition organizer, conference organizer, event service provider, and event venues. This year, there will be an Editor's Choice Award for the Distinguished Leadership and Lifetime Achievement Award. I'm sure the awards will ignite the spark among stakeholders to continue the journey towards excellence. My hearty congratulations to the winners of the Exhibition Excellence Award 2020. Wishing you all a great 2021 and a happy new year. Thank you so much.